Calvin, the interior designer for the Savon Company, and we are here down in Tyrone, Georgia. Just giving you a little update on our basement client, Tyrone basement client project. So we flew out to LA to get the handle for the theater door. And so let me show you guys. There's the handle. Isn't that large? Oh, we got that from our vendor out in LA, and it was fantastic. We've been waiting for a while, and and we got it so that it's back to back. So not back to back, but that we have these little screw covers on the other side for where it actually comes through. And you do this so that you don't see the little nail holes. You don't have to recess the screw into the door and then cover it and paint it. You put these little items on, and they actually cover the screw themselves. And so I did the handle is in brass, but the screw covers are in bronze because I'm gonna put a bronze puck plate right here so that you can reach here and slide the door. So here's our theater room, you guys. It's coming along, it's coming together. We're gonna have window treatments or fabrics along the back wall to give it that theater feel on both sides of the pictures and on the other sides of the sconces in this little cove right here. And then coming up right between these chairs right here, we're going to have some window fabric coming in. And I still haven't decided if I'm going to make those gray just like the room, or if I'm going to actually make those camel or some version of gold, like in the photo that you see back here, or some form of camel just like the leather seating. Now this is all restoration hardware. Well, back here is restoration hardware, and then we went to Leather Creations for the theater seats, and we had them match the leather and match the stitching on the theater chairs so that they match the stitching on the for restoration hardware, so it all looks like a cohesive piece. So it's pretty cool. Now, I'll tell you, this project has been going for a while, and it's cool because we get to try out new things, and the client gets to test it out or live in it for a minute to see if she really likes it, and then we move on to the next. It's another restoration hardware piece that's floating. So we got a sofa floating in the middle of the floor. That's because our television is anchored here, right up under the stairwell. So when we designed this basement, this was a full wall coming down, and I wanted to open out the wall so that you can actually see through the stairway, so that light from the window would shine right up the staircase. Now we use this Candace Olsen wallpaper on the wall just to give it some interest and style, so that when we're looking at the TV or we're here in the room, it looks back at us as if it's a picture or a piece of artwork. So that's what I love doing, like these three-dimensional type of things. We have a seating area coming over here. I love these ribbed chairs, our client. So I wanted to kind of mix up leathers and fabric, some leather, some fabric. You see the kids stuff, right? See, this is what kids do to my projects. When my clients have kids, now all of their toys get spread everywhere. So, when I get ready to do the final photos, all of this stuff will be edited out. But I'm just showing you guys some of the updates. These chairs were ribbed, really nice. They went in style with the modern. I did these in fabric because our sofa was sectional, was already leather. So I wanted to kind of mix and play here. We're going to do a leather black bench here, and I think that's a Regina Andrews piece that's coming. But if we don't, that's going to be a piece of artwork. Here in the bedroom, which is coming, we have our nice high 72-inch high bed. I had them go ahead and put some wainscoting on the wall over here. And so in front of the bed, instead of dressers, because this is a guest suite, they're not going to stay in here long. But I did, let me move these over because these aren't on center. I did get them some little dresser-like pieces. You see these right here? And so I know you see the wires hanging behind them, but we'll clean all that up later. But it gave them drawers down below and shelving up above and the television. That's really all they need. So we can put little extra towels or blankets right here for guests, or they can put some of their things. They can spread out. Got a little nice nightstand. Over here, we're going to do an occasional table, so something that kind of fits into it. You guys, I think you may remember this bathroom, but we just set the mirror on the countertop here. We have our nice cream cabinets, and we have our marble white. That's what's going in play here. Now, my client has put down some mats. You know, guys, I do those in white. But we got some artwork coming over here, some shelves that are going to go here, some artwork coming across this wall, and there's our massive shower with the bench and the rain head. You see it right there. Very nice, you guys. You know, we really went in this basement. We did a lot, so this is like another part of the house for the client. And now I find that they stay down here most of the time. And so here we're going into the kitchen. So we did a full kitchen in here instead of a half kitchen. So that eliminates the need of walking up and downstairs. So you have a bedroom down here, you have a theater room, you have a bar, you have a full kitchen, you have a great room with seating area. So you see how this basement is really huge. So we did some swivel chairs so that you can raise the height and lower the height depending on the person that's seated here. That's a Restoration Hardware feel. We did a nice, I forgot what this countertop was called. I think it was Delicatite or something like that. It was called Polar Bear, this granite. But it works so well with this kitchen. But now, you guys, this is an IKEA kitchen. I just put the designer touch on it. That's all. You know, so don't be afraid to try things. I mean, it just matters on how the person who's executing it uses it. So you don't always have to go, you know, to the highest end of cabinetry or Wellborn and stuff. You can play with some things. I mean, it depends. We just wanted a sleek feel down here. We didn't want to spend too much aggressive funding on all of the build outs. We want to spend a little bit more money on our furnishings. So we kind of made that balance. Got a nice backsplash in here. It's in a herringbone. But that's our bathroom. And then I'll show you the bar. So over here, we're going to have a nice big painting that covers these electrical boxes. So I'm not forgetting anything. You're seeing some things in the video that have not been completed yet. I'm just giving you a little small update. So over here in the bar, which is one of our clients' favorites, we have a built-in bar with the wine, with the soda refrigerator. It's beverage and wine at the bottom. And then we also put an ice maker in here as well. And a sink, a bar sink. So this is a full functioning bar for the client. And then we come all the way, you know, and so we have a television right here on this peninsula island. And so it makes for a nice feel. We did the swivel gray chair, so we're looking out into the area. So that if we wanted to watch TV, we can still kind of see the TV and still be engaged with the audience on both sides. But that's just a quick little update. We got to get to 2 projects today down here in Fayetteville. So this was our first stop to fix a couple of things. But you'll see more of this project probably before the end of this year. I'm gonna try to get some artwork and stuff in here and keep it flowing, keep it moving. But thank you so much for watching. This is Calvin, you guys. Thank you for watching. On to the next project.